In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ClickUp. Let's dive right in and make sure your productivity is taken to a whole new level with these templates. To begin, navigate to the specific workspace that you're interested in. This is your main hub, where all the magic happens. On the left section of your screen, you will notice an organized layout showcasing all your spaces, folders, and lists. This is where you'll determine what you want your template to be based on. Each of these elements, spaces, folders, and lists, comes with a small ellipsis icon on the right side, which looks like 3 dots in a line. This is where you have access to additional options, a handy feature when customizing your workspace. Click on that ellipsis, and a list of options will appear. This menu gives you a wealth of choices, but today, we're focusing on templates. Find the option labeled Templates and give it a click. Once selected, an option for Save Template will become available. Click on Save Template, and you'll notice a new window or dialog box appearing on your screen. This is where you can have some creative control and customization for your template. You'll first be prompted to give your template a name, something descriptive that will make it easy for you and your team to identify later. The next step here is deciding whom you want to share this template with. ClickUp makes collaboration easy by allowing you to specify individuals or teams in your workspace that can have access to this newly created template. Now, let's move on to the import options. ClickUp is quite versatile in this regard. You have the option to either import everything or customize what you want to be included in your template. Maybe you want the structure but not necessarily the exact tasks, or vice versa. It's your call. Take a moment to decide and customize by selecting or deselecting fields according to your needs. This level of personalization ensures your template is exactly how you need it, without any extra clutter. Once you've set your preferences, all that's left to do is click on Save Template. And there you have it, a tailored template that will streamline your workflow and boost efficiency, ready for use anytime you need it. By following these simple steps, you have now successfully mastered the art of creating a template in ClickUp. This will not only save you time in the future, but also provide consistency across your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stick around for more tips and tricks on making the most out of ClickUp.